In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Facebook ads. If you've ever needed to stop spending temporarily, maybe you're making edits, troubleshooting performance, or just taking a budget break, pausing is the safest, cleanest way to do it. Today, we'll walk through how to pause an entire campaign inside Meta Ads Manager so everything under it stops delivering right away. First, open Meta Ads Manager. This is the central dashboard where you manage all your advertising on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you're signed in to the correct ad account with the proper permissions. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're in the right one before you proceed. That small detail prevents accidental pauses on the wrong campaigns. Once you're in, look along the top of the table for the Campaigns, Ad Sets, and Ads tabs. Click on Campaigns. This view is important because Facebook's structure has 3 levels, and pausing at the campaign level is what ensures everything inside, every ad set and every ad, stops delivering. If you're in the Ad Sets or Ads tab, you'd only be pausing pieces, not the whole thing. Next, find the specific campaign you want to stop. If your account is busy, use the search bar, filters, or sort by columns like delivery or spend to locate it quickly. It's helpful to confirm you've got the right one by glancing at its objective and recent results so you don't pause an active top performer by mistake. You can also adjust the date range to see recent activity and confirm you're in the correct time frame. When you're sure you've selected the correct campaign, look for the toggle switch next to the campaign name. If the campaign is currently active, the toggle will be on and typically shows blue. Click it once to switch it off. It should turn gray. That's it. Pausing the campaign immediately stops all ad sets and all individual ads contained within it. You won't accrue new impressions or spend while it's paused, but all your data, settings, budgets, and audiences remain saved. A couple of quick checks help you confirm it worked. The delivery column should update to paused, and the toggle stays gray. Changes can take a moment to propagate, so give it a minute and refresh if needed. Remember, pausing is reversible. When you're ready to resume, return to the same toggle and switch it back. On. Avoid deleting campaigns unless you're absolutely sure. You can't recover deleted data or structure. That's all you need to pause a full Facebook ad campaign safely and cleanly inside Meta Ads Manager.